हेलो दोस्तों, मैं अविनाश जायसवाल स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का अपने YouTube चैनल पे। और आज मैं आप सभी के साथ अपना इस साल का बोर्ड का रिजल्ट शेयर करने वाला हूं। हमारा रिजल्ट दोस्तों इस साल पहले के मुकाबले काफ़ी बेहतर रहा है। पिछले साल तक बेहतर था, इस बार सबसे बेहतर हो गया है क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ से इस बार मोदीनगर टॉपर निकला है और हाईएस्ट मार्क्स इन केमिस्ट्री भी हमारे यहाँ से ही आए हैं। बच्चों के साथ मेहनत करी है, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि सब कुछ मेरा ही एफर्ट था। बच्चों का भी एफर्ट था, उनके स्कूल के टीचर्स भी थे और सब्जेक्ट्स के टीचर्स भी थे, क्योंकि एक शहर का टॉपर बनाने में एक टीचर नहीं, बहुत सारे टीचर्स का कलेक्टिव एफर्ट लगता है और एक टीम वर्क रहता है। तो आइए देखते हैं बच्चों के कुछ शानदार रिजल्ट, ताकि आप भी इससे इंस्पायर हो सकें, कुछ सीख सकें और आगे बढ़ सकें। आइए देखते हैं।
Hello everyone, this is Yash Krishnatre from 2020 batch. I got 98.4% in my boards and I became Modinagar topper and second topper of Meerut. Avinash Via's focus on daily revision and practicing more and more left a great impression on me. I believe that my interest developed in the subject of chemistry is all because of him. I still remember the day when I joined his coaching classes, and throughout my 2 year journey, he became like an elder brother to me. Thank you, Avinash Bhaiya, for guiding and teaching me. So, guys, join Avinash Bhaiya's coaching classes.
Hi guys, this is Tanu Paliwal from 1920 batch. I got 95.8% in 12 boards and 98 marks in chemistry. Studying from Avinash sir was quite enlightening, and the way he clears concepts is the best thing you see. And he particularly follows NCERT. So guys, join Avinash sir classes.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Sharma and I got 95.2% in my CPSC class 12th result and I got 96 in chemistry. I have enrolled in chemistry classes by Avinash sir. Avinash sir is the best teacher. He cleared all the concept, doubt and complicated problems. I thought less teacher can do this. Also, weekly test and test series at the end of examination helps me a lot. Also, test copies were distributed on time by Avinash sir. This helped me to rectify my problem that I do in my test. So thank you sir for all your support and help. Also, if you search for any chemistry teacher, then please enroll for Avinash sir. From experience, he is the best teacher.
Hi guys, this is Raghvi Sharma from 2019 batch and I got 95.4% in PCM. I passed my 12th from DPSG. So, if you're really in a search for a good chemistry tuition, so I would suggest you that Avinash Bhaiya is best for chemistry classes. Like, the way he teaches us and the way he deals with concepts is actually amazing. So yes, if you really want to score good in chemistry, you must join Avinash sir classes.
Hi, myself Meghna from 2019-20 batch. I have secured 94.8% in words and 95 in chemistry. Well, studying chemistry with Avinash sir was quite amazing and joyful. The way he solves our doubt is damn amazing. Thank you sir for supporting me out in this journey. Thank you.
This is Megha Tyagi from 2019 and 20 batch. I got 93.8% in boards and 95 marks in chemistry. Studied from Avinash sir was truly an amazing experience. I make sure guys that the way he deals with concept, no one can do. His teaching skills would help you to overcome any type of hurdle in your studies at any time. So guys, must join Avinash sir classes for obtaining good marks in future. Good luck guys.
Hey, it's Divyanshi Tyagi from 1920 batch. I got 95 marks in chemistry. Studying from Avinash sir classes is truly an amazing experience. Apart from his amazing style of teaching, his test series are really very helpful, not just for me but for everyone who take part in it. The best thing about Avinash sir teaching is that he mainly focuses on NCRT. So thank you sir for teaching and supporting us. So guys, please join Avinash sir classes.
Hello guys, this is Ayush Tyagi from 2020 batch. I scored 92.6% in my boards. Well, learning chemistry from Avinash sir is an amazing experience. His way of teaching is really awesome. He teaches you like an elder brother and you cannot skip even a single concept for sure. And his test series helped me a lot to score 95 out of 100 in chemistry. So thank you sir for your help and for everything, and all the best to you guys.
Join Avinash Bhaiya's classes to feel the difference.
Join Avinash Sir classes.
मेरा भाई इकोनॉमिक्स और बिजनेस स्टडीज़ पढ़ाता है 11th-12th को, उसके भी स्टूडेंट्स का रिजल्ट बहुत शानदार रहा है। आप अभी स्लाइड्स में उनकी फ़ोटोज़ भी देख सकते हैं। दोस्तों, इस रिजल्ट को शेयर कीजिए, और अगर आप भी हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।